You can still be cute and keep lint out of your hair. Like, there's no one or the other. You can still do both. Hey guys, it's your girl Sofineee. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are not, you already know what it is. Let's get into this video. As you can read from the title, this is another sit-down video of me explaining to you guys the importance of covering your locks while you're at home. I've said this in many of my videos.
I hate lint.
Lint is the devil. Literally, the whole purpose of you making sure that you cover your locks while you're at home is to prevent getting lint in your locks. Because once they get in, it's not as easy to get out. I'm going to give you guys 3 things, and I'll have links below for these things that you guys can purchase to use if you don't have it already, to make sure that we are keeping our lint out of our locks for this upcoming year. The first thing, of course, I want to let you guys know is that you can use a head wrap. Head wrap is something that is really cute, really subtle, that it will get the job done, and you can even use it outside. And if you're not home, you can even do it while you're out. So making sure that your hair is wrapped up, all secure, keep your ends tucked in if you are able to. If your hair is really short, easier for you because you don't have too much length for you to worry about for lint getting into it. But when your hair is longer, it definitely gets a lot more difficult. There are so many different head wrap styles that you can do. I have a couple of videos I'll link in the cards that you can see of different hairstyles that I use with head wraps, and I also have a lot on my Instagram as well. Follow me on Instagram at Sofineee with 3 E's, 3 underscores, and I also have a whole bunch of head wrap videos as well on that. In addition to having a head wrap, it is important that you can also have a silk head wrap. So making sure that it is a slippery material and that is not something that's going to be drying up our hair, that is going to be drying out all of our moisture, because we want to still maintain our moisture but still prevent lint. Like, we're still trying to do a whole bunch of preventatives. So making sure that it is of silk material, and if it is not and it is of cotton, then making sure that we are using like our own like silk head tie underneath it, or putting on a silk bonnet underneath it, and then putting on the head wrap and doing whatever style that we want to do. The next thing, which is pretty self-explanatory, but it is simply to just keep your bonnet on. Like, you were asleep and your head was tied up, as I assume it should have been. Like, your hair should be tied up every time you go to sleep, but making sure that, yeah, you just leave that same bonnet on and go about your day. Like, honestly, if I wasn't recording this video, my hair would still be wrapped up in my bonnet and my silk tie. Like, I have no reason for me to take my hair out unless I'm actually coming on YouTube for you guys, but otherwise, or going to work. But otherwise, yeah, my hair is up and in my bonnet all day. It's important to keep your bonnet on when you're at home and you're going about your business, because it also is another barrier that protects your hair from the outside world. So it keeps all the pollutants from the air, all the dust particles in the air, like literally everything from getting into your locks. Because like I said, our hair is like a magnet. So any little thing, any fuzzy thing, any carpet material, anything in the air will draw to your hair, because it automatically wants to soak and absorb everything, and it makes it easy for it to absorb things, but it definitely makes it a lot harder to take them out. Another item that I would recommend is getting a hair tube or a sock. And with this type of material, it depends on how long your hair is. So if your hair is pretty short, I feel like a tube will be best, because I know like the end is out and your hair will be out, so you can just tie it up and it'll be nice and easy. Versus if your hair is long like mine, a lot of the times the hair will come out of the tube. So making sure that you're being more careful with that. And if that's the case, get a sock. Like, a sock is just a closed end and you can still wear it. And it's like a sack, literally. So if this is something that you don't see yourself being outside with, wear it in your home. Literally just put the sock on and go about your business. You can still have your length, you can still have your hair nice and healthy. You can still keep your hair, you can still look cute. If you need to put little 2 antennas in the front, go ahead and go about your business and still look cute. But just know that this is all preventative measures, all to prevent lint. This is the main objective. Keep lint out of your hair. That's it. Let's do a quick little recap. First, we have the head wrap. Making sure we're doing a cute little head wrap style. If we're in a home, if we're outside, doing all of that. We can also keep our bonnets on. Finding cute little bonnets or different styles or different things that you feel like would be appealing to you to stay and be able to maintain is important, as well as having that sock or tube on your hair while you're home or when you're going out, depending on your preference or if you feel comfortable with that. Those are the 3 items I recommend, and I will have all 3 of those items linked down below in the description box so you guys can purchase and be able to get yourself going. And if you are thinking about having locks and starting your lock journey, these are things you should keep on your dresser, keep in your drawer, like different little things for your hair, and keep it in your hair drawer. Do you guys have a hair drawer? I have a hair drawer. If you have a hair drawer, comment down below, because I have literally a hair drawer with all my clips, with all my oils, with everything. So, okay, here I am. I'm going off topic. All right. But all jokes aside, 2025 is coming. We do not need any lint in our hair. We are trying to prevent any white stuff, any green stuff, anything that is not that we want in our hair. If it's not any decoration that you personally put in your hair, it needs to be evicted. It needs to not ever be available or be able to get into your locks. Like, we are all just on this journey, and I just want to help you guys the best way that I can with these tips. So if this video was of any help to you, please remember to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, because there are so many more videos like this coming. And like I said, comment down below if you have a hair drawer in your home, whether it's a drawer, whether it's a shelf. Comment down below, because you know we need to have our products all together, keep everything in alignment. Organization is key. Organization is definitely key. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay cute and stay fine. Bye guys.